Good day, ladies and gentlemen. It is a great pleasure to be here today in your presence in order to promote my very own mobile restaurant, Meetup. Meetup is an inspired modern style of mobile restaurant, or more specifically, a food truck that can cater at any time of the day and anywhere as long as it is accessible by a paved trail or road. In our current setting, it does not seem any likely that the pandemic plague would dissipate at any given time soon, even if variations of vaccines are being developed to overcome this adversity. With everyone fearing for their own health, well-being, and safety, food and beverage establishments like international or global franchises to small independent businesses are deeply affected. Both are suffering unimaginable losses of profit due to the decreased number of individuals going out and about to consume their meals. Thus, people resort to staying inside their dwellings and purchasing their orders through mobile applications, which are then delivered to their very own humble homes. Now, spending a lot of our days locked up for long periods of time can be stressful physically and mentally, that results to anxiety and depression. We all require some time to relax by spending some time on the outside world. Fortunately, we are gradually allowed to visit public parks to clear our minds from all the negativity that surrounds us. This is where Meetup comes in to brighten your day. Chef Jai has prepared mouth-watering dishes to satiate your cravings and quench your thirst with a menu ranging from traditional home favorites to the current trends in the food and beverage international clients. Just imagine taking a walk in the park and suddenly you feel hungry. Well, then you're in luck because our food truck would be coming to you. Do you desire freshly made meals? We can prepare these just right out of your own doorsteps by reaching out to us. Thank you so much for listening and lending me a couple of minutes of your precious time to hear about my simple and humble idea for my future business.